My name is Aaron Massey from MrFixItDIY.com, and today I'm here to show you 3 DIY ways you can fix a scratch in a hardwood floor. Hardwood floors are beautiful and durable flooring options in your home, but they're not invincible to scratching, and when that happens, it can bring about serious anxiety in a homeowner. While some scratches might add character to a home, others can be serious eyesores in need of some TLC. So today, I'm here to show you 3 different ways you can fix a variety of scratches in your hardwood floors. For a small, shallow scratch, you'll likely need a stain pen or a can of stain in the color as close to the existing floor as possible. Use the stain pen to add a small amount of stain to the scratch to blend it in with the surrounding floor so it doesn't catch your eye. For a lighter colored floor, you may want to apply the stain to a rag or cloth first and then gently wipe it into the scratch so it doesn't become too dark and make the scratch stand out even further. I recommend testing your chosen stain pen on a piece of scrap wood before applying it to make sure it's as close to the color of your floor as possible. For a slightly larger or deeper scratch, another option is to apply a melted wax in a closely matched color to the scratch. There are a variety of wax kits available, or you can even use a crayon to fill it in. Using a heat gun or blow dryer, heat the wax until it is slightly melted and then apply it to the scratch on the floor, filling it to just above the scratch. Then using a clean rag, buff the scratch and surrounding area to blend it in. For a large scratch or chip in the flooring, you'll likely need a stainable wood filler, a stain pen or stain matching your floor, some painter's tape, some wipe-on poly, a small painter's tool or putty knife, and a sanding sponge or sandpaper. Apply some painter's tape around the area you're fixing, and then add the wood filler into the hole or scratch, attempting to keep it as smooth as possible. Once dry, lightly sand the area and attempt to feather the edges with the surrounding floor. Next, apply the stain to the patched area using either a foam brush or a rag. It's never a bad idea to test the look of the stain on the wood filler in an inconspicuous area or on a piece of scrap just to make sure it matches the floor when finished. Once the stain is dried, if your floor has a luster to it, apply a small amount of wipe-on poly to the area to help blend in the fixed area with the existing floor. Well, I hope this guide was helpful in showing you some of the ways that you can fix a scratch in a hardwood floor. The only true way to really fix a significant scratch in a hardwood floor is to replace or refinish that area, which can be time-consuming and expensive. So hopefully these tips will help you tackle any minor areas of your flooring that need some TLC. If you like this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you want to check out more of my DIY or home improvement related videos, you can always visit my website at MrFixItDIY.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.